สวัสดีเรากลับมาแล้วพวกเราจะมาสร้างบ้านใน IKEA Brianrot และเล่นกับเพื่อนด้วยชื่อนะโมเล็กหรือเล็กก็ได้เอากระถางไปวางใส่ Brianrot มันไปแล้วตอนนี้ไปหาอาหารและสร้างบ้านเหมือนเจอที่สร้างบ้านแล้วสร้างตรงนี้แหละไปเอาของเพิ่มคน5ขี้เกียจพูดเยอะคุณ5จะไม่พูดแล้วดูกันเองถ้ารู้สึกเบื่อจะเอาการ์ตูนมาให้ดูกันเองนะไม่รู้จะว่าอะไร
Cow Cow Red
La vaca Lola, la vaca Lola tiene cabeza y tiene cola. La vaca Lola, la vaca Lola tiene cabeza y tiene cola y hace moo.
No, please, wait!
You're not the only one who lied. We all felt the same way.
Yes, me too. I guess not. Well, this is awkward.
So,
เป็นไงกับการ์ตูนมั่งถ้าชอบก็มาคอมเมนต์ตอนนี้หาของมาสร้างบ้านอย่างแรกสร้างทางขึ้นต่อไปเอาเตียงนอนเจอมีดเอามาเก็บมันจะฆ่า Brianrot ได้เตียงมาแล้วขอเพิ่มคน5เพราะขี้เกียจพูดให้ดูการ์ตูนอีกรอบดีกว่าเพราะไม่มีอะไรจะพูด
Baby bus.
Hi
Click here to subscribe.
Folks, we've had a lot of tremors recently, so we need to be prepared for impending earthquakes. Our volunteers are giving out emergency kits to all of you today.
Hi, Whiskers. Here you are.
Thank you Hey, wait a moment I need one for my caterpillar friend too
Caterpillar? Then take this one.
Thanks
Emergency! We've got to go now. Bye!
Bye Hey, caterpillar I brought you an emergency kit Caterpillar, why did you roll yourself up like that?
Hey! Hey! Kaka, what's the emergency?
Rattlesnake, Reptile. He's one of the earthquake rescue team members. His job is to find missing animals. This morning, he had an accident while handing out emergency kits. He needs your help.
We're on it! Super Rescue Team, let's go!
I'm sorry.
It's okay. It was just an accident. But I still have some emergency kits to hand out. I need to hurry.
It's all right. Super Rescue Team will be here soon. See? They're here.
Mr. Rattlesnake, how do you feel now?
I feel a little dizzy, and I can't see clearly.
Huh? Don't worry, we'll help you.
Let me take a closer look. Start analyzing. Here's the result. The pit organ seems to be injured.
Pit organ?
Mr. Rattlesnake is very short-sighted. He has small holes between his eyes and nostrils, which are called pit organs. They help him detect animals nearby, since they are very sensitive to heat.
Ah, I see. I'll fix you now.
Thank you.
Start shrinking. Where is it? Huh? I found the injury! Light wave! Mew Mew, I'm done!
I can see clearly now.
Huh? Why is the house shaking?
Oh no, it's an earthquake!
Earthquake! Earthquake! What do we do?
Don't panic! Protect your head! Let's go to a safer place! This way! Hurry!
Everybody be careful! It's dangerous there! Hide under the table! There's not enough space under the table!
Mew Mew, we can go hide in the bathroom! Hurry! Go to the corner! It stopped! Come with me!
All right, let's go!
Let's get out of here! During an earthquake, don't get in the elevator! Use the stairs!
Oh, there's an aftershock!
The open area there is an emergency shelter! Hurry!
Now we're safe.
Kiki, look!
How is it? Have you found anything?
There's no one here.
Kiki, come over here! Here, I think I heard a whistle.
Mr. Rattlesnake is our life detector. He can help us.
I got this. Ah, over there.
Oh, Caterpillar, wake up! Look at me! I'm scared!
Whiskers is in there. We've got to help him out.
It's urgent. I'll call headquarters for help. Kaka, Whiskers is trapped inside a building. We need help.
Copy that. Hank, Momo, Kiki needs your help. Please move out now.
Super Rescue Team, let's go!
Momo and Hank are here!
There might be aftershocks. We need to get Whiskers out quickly.
No problem, I'm on it. Activate.
Super Repeller